In this video, I'll show you how to set up ZoneMinder on your LincStation NAS and connect an IP camera to build your own self-hosted security system. What is ZoneMinder? It's an open-source surveillance platform that lets you monitor IP cameras, record video footage, set up motion detection, and view live streams remotely. Basically, it turns your LincStation NAS into a DIY security system. Before we jump in, there are a few things you'll need to. Make sure you know your camera's zip address. Check the RTSP port. It's usually 554. And have your camera's username and password ready. Step 1. Install and access ZoneMinder. Alright, let's get started. Head over to the Apps tab, search for ZoneMinder, and install it. Once it's done, go ahead and open the web interface. Step 2. Add your IP camera. Now let's connect the camera. Inside the ZoneMinder dashboard, click on Add. Then go to the Source section, and here's where you'll enter your RTSP stream. The format looks like this. Just replace username and password, your camera's zip address. After that, select the capture resolution and save it. If everything is set up correctly, you should start seeing your camera feed right away. Tips: make sure your camera and your NAS are on the same network. Double check the RTSP URL. It can vary depending on your camera brand. Summary: and that's it. With ZoneMinder running on your LincStation NAS, you can turn your device into a full NVR, monitor and record your IP cameras, and build your own security system. No subscriptions, no cloud, just full control.